Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. If you're new, my name is Apurva and I'm a fashion designer working at Bangalore. In today's video, I'll be showing you how to convert a men's old shirt into a cute top. So stay tuned. First thing you have to do is remove the pockets of the shirt. Cut around the pink marked lines, that is armhole and below armhole. Mark 5" from the center of the shirt. From the marked point, go 3 inches down and mark a point. Mark a straight line from that point to the center of the shirt and extend the line till the end of the shirt. Now mark a curve from this point to this point. This will be your armhole. Now take your chest measurement. Now divide your chest measurement by 4 and add 1 inch for seam allowance or margin. Now mark your chest measurement over here. Now draw a straight line from this point to the end of the shirt. Now we are gonna mark 13 inches from the top and draw a straight line and cut it over there. Now cut around the armhole by leaving half an inch margin to fold the fabric and stitch. Snip it around the curves of the armhole so that it will be easy to turn around and stitch. Now we are gonna do stitches on both the sides and on top as well. Now this is what it looks like. Now we are gonna make straps out of the remaining fabric which we cut below the collar. So we will be making straps of 11" long and 2.5" in width. Fold the straps and iron it. The right side should be inside and the wrong side should be outside. Stitch it over here and then we are gonna flip it. Straps are stitched. Now we have to flip it through. We're gonna put pin in one side of the fabric like so, and then we are gonna put the pin inside the strap and then keep pushing it and then pulling the fabric from the other side. Push the pin and try to pull the fabric. Both the straps are ready now. Now we're gonna attach these straps to the top. Secure the straps using a pin. You can use a safety pin as well. You don't need draping pin only. And do the same on the other side as well. And then we're gonna stitch over here. Do a double stitch. I think it's a little loose, so I guess I'm gonna tighten it a little bit on the sides. Open up both the sleeves and cut the cuff below. Once you open up sleeve, fold it again and mark 5" in width and how much about the length of your sleeve, and then cut over here, here and then here. Do this on the other sleeve as well. Once you're done cutting the straps, you'll end up having 2 pieces like so without any placket in them, and 2 pieces with the plackets. So now what we're gonna do is cut off the plackets because we don't need them. Now join all the straps together. Once you're done attaching all the straps, you'll end up with one large band. So now we're gonna make ruffles out of this. Change the setting of the stitch to the longest stitch and stitch on one side of the band. You will end up having 2 threads and tie it around your fingers or a machine and then start pulling your fabric and then keep rolling the thread. So you will start getting this gather effect. You can see, yeah. So keep repeating the same procedure. what your ruffle would look like. Finish the hem of the ruffle, fold it twice and then stitch it. Don't forget to change your long stitch setting to the regular one. That you will end up having something like this. Now we're gonna attach this at the bottom of the top. Adjust your ruffle to the end of your top and then stitch on this part on the wrong side. Ruffles are a little difficult to stitch, so what I've done is I've attached the ruffles using the draping pin to the top. So now I'm gonna do a stitch all around and then the top will be ready. I can't wait to see the end results. Thank you so much for watching the video. If you like the video, hit the like button and subscribe to my channel. See you again in the next video. Bye.